Hey everyone, today we don't have our mascots, but today we're going to be opening our fireworks.
If you hear the noise in the background, that's fireworks. And I kind of opened the packet, so.
Yeah, she kind of wanted to open the fireworks.
Puppets?
So we just got a mini pack. I mean, I know it's kind of like not really
Let's tell them
that
the
much.
fireworks that we got. We got Cool Cat, this
Fun Blast, this mini packet,
and pop
and puppets.
I already don't know what we want to get.
So Seashell and Bowtie are going to be opening it. So make sure everyone be safe when you are opening these in the house. Well, when you like poke the box, it might
That is disgusting. It sounds like a poo-poo. It sounds like a fart.
Sorry if you hear the background noise, but
It's people.
yeah, it's people. It's just I can't cover the windows. You're still gonna hear it. Like, look how like the glass windows like still gonna cover it. This is not my room, okay? Okay, so make sure if you open this inside the house, don't poke the box or this part because it will have like this like powdery substance and it's kind of chemical-y, so.
If you want to open outside, you can.
Yeah, but we are going to be extremely careful, don't worry. So the first one, my sister's going to hold the camera. I'm going to open the Cool Cat.
Yeah, you need scissors. Orange scissors.
I don't know.
Be careful.
I don't know if you open this.
Be careful with scissors, kids. You know, you were ask an adult to help you, I guess.
Oh God, I don't want to rip the packaging, but I'll just rip the top. Okay.
Wait, we don't want to break the box because they're powdery.
Well,
Disgusting.
Right?
Okay, that's good.
I might just take off the. Sorry about our brother.
He's annoying.
Yeah, but don't mind him. He's just.
I'm waiting here.
He's mad because he's playing his game.
So here's a Cool Cat.
So this is the Cool Cat,
which is weird.
This is cool. I've never seen this one before.
It's like it's new.
Yeah. I think it's a new firework.
Okay, it's
mine. So set that down over there.
It's my turn. Get your butt.
So my sister wanted just puppets. I don't know. I just wanted something like this. But we are sharing this, so she'll pick out her fireworks. I wanted the Cool Cat. I was just looking at it, and I was like, I've never saw this before. And my auntie just got it because she thought I wanted it.
Okay.
Oh my God, we're gonna be using this for the LPS fireworks since they're so tiny.
Yeah, they're adorable.
No copyright, please.
Yeah. If
So-
you have different fireworks, you can.
So we got like, these are like pop-its.
Yeah, you could pop them on.
So,
Yeah, I remember you were scared to pop it on the ground. You were. We both were.
okay, it's my turn, but we're gonna be sharing all
this
these.
is our last one.
Yeah, but guys, it's okay because
Kind of short.
Ooh, I don't want to cut that.
Do not cut it, guys. This be extra.
Guys,
okay.
I know I'm too much on 4th of July, but and I keep posting on this day because it's a special day. So
One time we were like
I know.
having so fun. Is that fart?
So I know this is like very small, but we don't have that much money. But whatever. So the first thing I'm gonna show. Wait, I should just take them all out.
Yeah, I could have.
Don't break these.
I'm gonna be extra careful with this. Disgusting.
I don't. know.
Weird. This is so ugly. What the heck is that?
That's.
Okay, being extra careful with it. What is that?
This is the thingy and celebrate
The
safe.
people look so ugly.
Oh my God, she's so annoying. Okay, so we're gonna keep it in that box, all the fireworks. So the first one is the flashing fountains.
It's kind of cute. What is that? It's kind of weird how it's different.
So there's like, so
Ugly.
there's a lot of fireworks actually, because guess what? Including this, it has so much poppets.
And I like poppets.
Okay, so we have 3 of these. I think this is different.
They're in different colors.
So, Jitterbug, this one, I don't even know.
The blue and yellow thing.
No, that's not blue and yellow.
Blue.
The diamond cutter.
The blue bottle. The green and purple bottle.
Oh yeah, jade flowers.
And
Lightning flash. We have that one. We only have 3 of these looking things, but we only have 1 of the lightning
let's
flash.
show this one of the bugs.
Ooh, I don't know this one's name. Oh, fire ants.
Oh yeah, the fire.
Okay, we have
Oh gee, there's another one.
we have 2 of these glowworms.
What is this?
Oh, wait. Yeah, there's another one of these flashing fountains, but smaller, I think. There is 2 of these glowworms.
And can I show this one? The
Yes.
big one. This
June bugs.
yeah, they're cute. They're kind of cute. I
Oh,
like.
this is the design of
They're
the bug.
ladybugs.
It's June bugs. You don't even. I mean, I know it's ladybugs, but I guess they call it June bugs.
Now.
Magic black snakes. I have 2
And
of
we're
that.
doing the big one.
Yeah, the big one. Last. Flashing fountains. Another one of these, but no design for the flashing fountains on this one. Don't smash it. And this is called the squash.
And I do not know what this is, which is a weird thing
I
with
should
a tennis. What is that with tennis rackets? Is that?
I accidentally poked it, but I guess that's okay because, you know.
Yeah.
But there's just.
No powdery substance in the house, please.
I know, I'm trying not to. Just keep that up so the powdery stuff don't come out.
Do not. Guys, do not poke holes.
Okay,
This
so
is not
we
safe.
have this last one, the Prio
We had to hurry
fan.
up. Yeah, we had to hurry up right now. The phone is dying.